Hello everyone. We all want to write high quality content filled blogs and also don't want to spend hours and hours writing them. Well, the easiest way to do that is by using AI. But using AI comes with the risk of plagiarism. But here's a solution to that as well. In this video, I'll show you how you can write plagiarism free blogs and that too by using AI tools. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnWoo and let's get started. In this video, we will be using a combination of AI tools, for example, Bard, Bing's Dall-E, Canva, and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Now, to create plagiarism-free blogs, we will follow 6 easy steps. The first step would be to generate topic ideas using AI. However, if you already have your topic ready, you can skip this step and move to the next one. For that, we will be using an AI tool named Bard. So go to Bard's website. The link to the site is mentioned in the description. Sign up or sign in with your Google account. Once you have landed on this page, here in the prompt bar, give the prompt blog topic ideas on and write the keyword on which you want to write the blog. Like here I've written YouTube business. Now click enter. Once done, Bard will generate a few blog topic ideas for you based on the keyword you had given. Next, select a topic from here. Like I'm selecting this particular topic because I find it more suitable. Now in the next step, let's create the blog's outline. For this also, we will be using Bard. So just go to Bard's website again and on the prompt bar, enter the prompt, create a blog outline for and give the topic name. Like here I've written mine. Once done, click enter. And in no time, Bard will generate blog outline for the topic you had given. Now you can export this blog outline from the export option here. Select the document option for exporting. Once the blog outline is exported, make the necessary changes. Like here, I'm deleting all the unnecessary lines. Also here, I'm making slight changes to the blog outline as per my requirement. Next, let's create the blog content using Bard. For that, once all the changes are done, copy the blog outline and paste the outline in the Bard prompt section with the prompt create blog content as per the blog outline and paste the blog outline right after this prompt. Once done, press enter. Now here Bard will give you an entire blog content on the topic of your choice. Also here I'm making slight changes to the blog as per my requirement. Now our entire blog content is ready. But we need a more unique and SEO optimized title. So for that, we will simply use OpenAI's ChatGPT. Thus for that, go to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Give the prompt, make the title SEO optimized and give the title here. Once done, you will get an SEO friendly title. Copy the topic. However, if you don't like the topic, you can also regenerate the response from the regenerate option here. But here I'll go ahead with this particular title. Now copy and paste the title to the top of the document that we had created. Also here I'm making slight changes. Next, here you can see that our blog looks quite plain. So let's add an image to each of these subheadings here. For that, we will be using Bing's Dall-E. Thus go to Bing's Dall-E. The link to this site is also given in the description. Once you are in Bing's Dall-E's homepage, here in the prompt bar, write illustration of and the subheading. Like I'm doing it here. And once done, click the submit button from here. And in some time, Bing's Dall-E will generate 4 image options for that particular prompt. Now select the most suitable one, click on it and download. Following the same steps, generate and download images for each of the subheadings. Once done, go to the document that we had created and add the images in their respective subheadings. Now our blog is almost ready. We have one last step left, which is to create a feature image. Now, creating one such feature image would make our blog look even more attractive. For that, we will be using the popular designing tool Canva. The link to the tool is given in the description. Now, to create the feature image, go to Canva website. On the search bar here, write thumbnail and search. You will get plenty of editable thumbnails. Though you can manually also create the image, for this video we will be using a template. Click on the template of your choice, like here I've chosen this one. Now click on customize this template. Replace the title here with your blog's title. Now make minimal changes as much required to maintain the actual look of the template. Once done with all the changes, click on share, download, and click download again. Now, since our entire blog content is ready, let's add it to our blog website. Here, my website is built on WordPress. Thus, to add the blog post, let's first go to WordPress dashboard, posts, add new, go back to the document that we had created, copy the content, now paste it here on the WordPress post page. To add the featured image from the right panel here, click Feature Image and upload the feature image that we had created and download it. Next, add a category to the post from the right panel here under Categories. If your suitable category is not here, then you can also create a new category from the Add New Category option here. Once done with all this, let's publish the blog. For that, simply go to the top right corner here and click Publish. And then click Publish again. Once done, let's go to an AI detector website and check if our content is plagiarism free or not. So simply go to AI detector site. The link to this site is also given in the description. Paste your entire content here in this box. Now click check. Now you can see that it clearly states that the content is written by human. Thus, it is plagiarism free. And that's all. This is how you can write plagiarism free blogs using AI in just 6 simple steps. Do let us know in the comments section if you found this video useful. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.